Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have on Chevrolet Tahoe and this car have a problem. Sometimes cluster working, sometimes not working like this. Sometimes full meter off and sometimes on like this. That's the problem. So when I check with my diagnosis tool, I got fault U0100 lost communication with engine control module. Oh, today I will show you how you can solve this problem and what is the issue actually, why this fault code came. Open car bonnet. Here is the engine control module. You can see here, I see there is too much dust. Now I remove, check if anything damaged or not. First I will show you the fault code. You can see here, I check every wire U0100 lost communication with engine control module. See, lost communication engine control module. So I think any wiring have problem. Now I remove engine control module and check. Okay. First of all, we have to see this wire, and there is also one connector. Those connector remove and check if there is any damage or not, cause when car wash, if inside water gone also same happen, cause U code, that means there is any problem in wiring. So that's why we have to see connector. See, and then I remove engine control unit connector, and then I see before I think anywhere remove, they didn't fix properly this inside safety rubber, and that's the problem. They fix it, but there is some issue, I think loose connection. That's why came U code, and I fix it properly, then my car will be okay. So if your car have same problem, check those wire, cause every wire fault came same engine control module lost communication. Okay, so if your car have same problem, first check this one. Okay, thank you. Or if my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel.